Peace and love, family. Peace and love. It's your boy Chris Enlightened coming back again with some more spiritual fiddles. And today I'm going in on healing your water. Ooh, this is a good one, family. This is a good one. Healing your water. Ooh. This is a good one because a lot of people don't even know that they need to heal their water or that their water needs to be healed. But I'm here to tell you, family, it's so true. It's so true. You know, about 7 years ago when I wrote my book, Wealth Consciousness, I talked about how Dr. Mamoto used positive affirmations and positive words on water, and he used negative words and anything unfavorable, speaking it to water. And each time it had different effects. When he used words like, I love you, water. You're so sweet. You're amazing. Thank you. Much gratitude for drinking you. The water, when he froze it, the water turned into nice crystalline snowflakes. But when he was using hateful speech, barnyard vernacular, curse words, anything negative, the vibration of those cymatic tones affected the molecular structure of the water. And it didn't grow, and when he froze it, it didn't freeze pretty. It was like crazy, ugly, like snowflakes. And he did this for a while now, and other people have done this since. And I'm here to tell you, I've tried it myself, and it's true. What you say to your water affects your water. Water is the second highest form of consciousness in our earthly domain. And it soaks up consciousness, information, everything. So if you're in a negative home, and you get your water and you immediately drink it when you get it, it may not benefit you the way that if you were to take your water and get it in a copper pot or a copper vessel or a metal vessel, but preferably copper, and let it sit in the refrigerator or out all night, covered, of course. You don't want your water to get stagnant. But the water will the copper will activate your water, and there's so many healing benefits because of it. So I want you to look up the healing benefits of copper water. Look up the healing benefits of copper water. There were so many. I want you guys to do some research yourself. I can tell you all of them. I already researched it. But I'm here to tell you, if you look it up yourself, it'll stick with you longer. And it may implore you to start drinking copper water or water that's been healed. One thing you have to realize is we know where our water's from, but we really don't. We know we go to grocery stores and get our water, and then we take it home and we drink it. But we don't know the plight of the water, where the water has been or who's been around our water, and what negative energy has been infused within our water. So it's always good when you get your water to heal your water. Me personally, if you don't have a copper vessel or a metal vessel right now, you can also say some animacoas over your water. You can get your whole package of water. If you have a mate or a girlfriend or a child or a husband or a wife, hold hands around the water and just say the animacoa. And say it, animacoa. Envision yourself healing the water, taking all the impurities and negative energy out of the water. Animacoa. Gijala Yaminka, Tatir Tezara, Kabel Renatam Chasad Venuta Harvin Nora, Nadi Borda Shayukadeka, Kababat Shamran, Barkam Taham, Rakam Elazika Taker, Tami Gamlin, Chasin Kadosh, Parap Tufka, the Helada Taker, Yikiga Elam Chapanezo Kreka Dusha Taker, Shavatu Nukabel, Ushman Tazakatu Nuyudea to Alamut, Brukshum Kavol Makuto, La Lamdaye. You want to really envision yourself projecting healing energy into the water and visualizing the water being permeated by all your divine light and cleansing your water. If you do this for about 6 weeks to 2 months, you're going to see a difference. You can also program your water too. Like I have healing water, I have weight loss water. I've been doing it myself. I lost 80 pounds in less than a year using healing water. It's one of my secrets. And walking 2 miles a day and going to the gym helps as well. But I'm also using healing water as well. You can create wealth water. Have some spiritual ingenuity. Do what you see fit with your water, okay? Have some regular water that you haven't healed. Have some healing water. Have some wealth water. Have some prosperity water. Create all the different types of water you want, okay, family? Nothing exists until you focus on it. Nothing exists until you focus on it. So why not focus on healing yourself? Why not focus on creating vessels of opportunity that will funnel wealth to you? Why not try something new? If you're one of those people out there watching these videos, just watching the videos and getting off on watching the videos and not trying anything, I'm telling you, I usually don't tell you anything, but I'm telling you, just try trying something different. See what works for you. You never will know what will work until you try it, family. You never know what will work until you try it. You know, some Indian cultures, when they go out and get their water, they don't bring it home and just drink it. They get their water, they sit it in like a metal vessel or a copper vessel, cover it, put some flowers on it, put some incense on it, burn some sage around it, and let it sit for a day or two before they ever intake their water. I'm not sure if you guys frequent Indian restaurants or not, but whenever you go to an Indian restaurant, if it's an authentic Indian restaurant, when you ask for water, they're going to bring a metal container to your table and you're going to get some water. And the water is always delicious. I had no idea they were serving me healing water. I had no idea until I asked. And they was like, yes, we do pray over our water. And I was like, give thanks. Winning. They chuckled. They chuckled. And I've been adopting that same principle since I've heard about it. Healing your water is real, family. We don't know what's going on with our water. We don't know where our water's been. And the great way to dissolve a lot of the impurities and detritus and negative vibration that's festering around in our water, you can put it in a copper pot. It will activate your water. Definitely say an anabakor over the water. If you want to create wealth consciousness water or wealth water or prosperity water, I say start off with the anabakor. Say this Lisa Vajay Dharani 3 times and end it with the anabakor. If you want to create body of light water, say the anabakor, say 3 body of light mantras, and then end it with the anabakor. If you want to create solar water, which me and my wife has done, it works great with crystals in it too. You choose your own crystal to put in your water. You put it in a metal or a copper container, cover it, and let it sit in the sun all day. You can do the same thing with moon water. If you don't want to do that, you can just create crystal water. If you love amethyst, you want to activate things within you, you want to gain some higher insight, get an amethyst crystal, put that in your water overnight, and watch that crystal do its thing in your water. You know your water is activating when you see all those bubbles forming in your water. Okay? So that's how you know it's working. And I'm telling you, try it for yourself. Have some healing water and have some non-healing water. You'll be able to taste the difference, family. You'll be able to taste the difference. But I'm not going to talk your head off all night. I just wanted to share that with you guys because going forward, I'm going to start sharing all the little bitty things that I do daily to help myself win, to help me feel good, to help me open up doors of opportunity, to funnel wealth consciousness to me. You know what I'm saying, family? So on that note, it's your boy Chris Enlightened. You already know what I'm doing. I'm out here. Win!